Welcome back everyone. In this lecture, I will show you how to work with workflows in InVideo AI. In the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see these options of workflows, which are YouTube explainers, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, recent event videos, and script to videos. Well, in another word, workflows are prompt helpers. So for instance, you don't need to manually type all of this prompt by yourself. You can leverage some of the pre-built workflows. Let's say you want a YouTube short. This is YouTube short create a prompt option and it populates with all of these options. The first thing we have to define or the first thing we have to give the details is the topic or what it should cover. Let's say we want a YouTube video or a YouTube short about weirdest human body facts that not many people know. And then in the setting, we have to select the voice, a female voice or a male voice or even my voice, and then any accent. Let's say we want to select a voice with a New York accent, and then subtitles. Let's say we don't want any subtitles in our video, and we can select don't add any subtitles. And this is use iStocks normally, which are the stock footage that are used in our videos. We have options as only use iStocks, don't use iStock, and many other options. But leave it as it is. Again, workflows are better for those who don't want to manually type all of the things into their prompt. For instance, in the last example, we have added everything in our prompt by manually typing it. For the captions, we have added word by word subtitles where the current spoken word is in yellow. All we need to do is select this option and workflow will automatically write this in our prompt. As well as for the voice, we have typed use a female clear American voice. And in the workflow, all we need to do is select a female voice and its accent. It's time to have a look at another workflows. This time we will select a YouTube explainer video. You can see it has populated with all of this option. The first option we have is a time length of our YouTube video. So for instance, we have manually typed the time length of our video duration. So for this, we have to select any videos we want. Let's say we want a 5-minute YouTube video and we have to provide the topic as well as what should we talk about and not talk about. So for this instance, we will take this example which is weirdest human body facts that not many people know. We will copy this and then paste it here. Second box is optional which is creative directions. In another word, creative direction means giving direction to your videos by inputting external resources. So for this instant, we will go to Claude and then we will type weirdest human body fact that not many people know and make a list of around 10 facts. We will just copy this and then give it external direction or creative direction to our video. So it will generate or it will create a video regarding these 10 facts only. Next thing we have is add background music. As you can see, we don't have to manually type the music, the mood of our video. All we need to do is select the theme and it will automatically write prompt for us. So let's say we want a calm music. And now for the setting inputs, we can use any voice. This time we will select male voice and voice with a southern accent. And for subtitles, we will select add subtitles with an outline. And we will leave iStocks as it is. And then all we need to do is click on continue and it will automatically write prompt for us. So as you can see, this is the magic of workflow, which is create a 5-minute YouTube video about weirdest human body facts that not many people know. And here are the list of 10 weirdest facts. Make the background music calm as well as the setting which is use a male voice with a southern accent and add subtitles with an outline. Again, you can see we don't have to manually type or manually enter all of this information. We can leverage the power of workflows to generate beautiful and better prompts. I hope you understand workflows now. In other words, workflows are a prompt helper. I assume that you have understood how workflows works. Until now, we have covered how to create videos by manually typing prompts as well as by leveraging the power of workflows. Don't worry, in the couple of next lectures, we are going to cover the magic box, the edit and the export options. I promise that you will love magic box features because it is so wonderful and so amazing, and thus named accordingly, Magic Box. There we have our video generated by the help of workflows. Now let us preview our video. The first example is the noise. The first example is the nose. The first example about the weirdest fact about body is the nose. Now let us check with our Claude. As you can see, the first example was the human nose can detect around 1 trillion different scents. So it has generated the video accordingly to our script. You can also modify or customize your prompt with any way you like. For instance, if you want to reveal the facts in a descending order, for example, for 10th fact, 9th fact and 8th fact, you can do it just by simply editing the prompt. Let's say edit the prompt, reveal the facts in a descending order, and it will generate a video accordingly to your customization. One another beautiful feature of InVideo AI is, if you don't like the current generated video, all you need to do is click on this regenerate button and it will generate new and unique video for the same prompt. And down here we have history. If we click on this button, it will show you all of the video that we have generated in the past. Alright, I will see you in the next one.